everyone! Today we will knit this long beanie. We will use thick yarn because you want to work faster, and we will knit the Russian way. Why Russian? It's great for your hands and ergonomic. You will need yarn like Schachelmeier Bravo Big and circular needles. I am using 9mm. You also need a tapestry needle. Let's get started! First make a slip knot. We use here the endless cast on, and we need 50 stitches. This should fit a head from 54 to 60 centimeters. This tutorial should give you a uni-size beanie fits the most people. Make a swatch for other sizes or other yarn. So these are my 50 stitches. And now we'll divide them somewhere in the middle. You don't have to count stitches. Make sure not to twist your work. First, we'll knit a ribbing edging. Knit 2, purl 2. Knit the first 2 stitches as usual. Now you can see that the yarn is looser on the front side than on the back side. We will use these front strands to purl. Take your yarn to the front, but we won't purl as usual. We will just pull the yarn through the loop without wrapping before. This works much faster, and we will do it this way only in the first round. I will show you why. From the second round, it will work a little bit different. Knit 2 as usual. And now you can see that the loose strand is not on the front side anymore, but on the back side. So take the yarn to the front for purling and insert your needle from the back side through the loop and pull the yarn through this loop. This is also much easier and faster than the normal West European knitting. Continue knitting in rounds. My edging has 9 rounds at all. This is my finished edging, and now we will knit the stockinette stitch. For this, we will use only the knit stitch. The first round will be again different than the following. Knit the first 2 as usual. Now you can see the purl stitches and the stitches here are twisted the other way around. So our loose yarn is on the back side. That's why we'll knit through the back loop. Next 2 stitches again as usual, and again through the back loop. Important is on which side is your loose strand, and that's the side which you have to knit. This is the second round of our stockinette stitch, And now all stitches are twisted in the same direction. Now you can knit all the stitches as usual. Continue knitting this way for your beanie length. Let's have a look how long is my beanie. This should be approximately 24-25 centimeters. If you have 2 centimeters more or less, it doesn't really matter. Now we will start decreasing. So how do you know how often to decrease? First, you have to count all your stitches. We know we have 50, and then you have to divide the number by 8. 50 divided by 8 is 6.25. And we choose the number 6 because we don't have partial stitches. This will also work if you have 30 or 80 or 100 stitches. Divide your number always by 8. Now set a marker to know when your round is done. Then knit 5 stitches. Now decrease stitch number 6 and 7. Insert your needle through both stitches and knit them together. Now count from the beginning till 5 and then decrease again. Continue this way until the end of your round. After the last decrease, we have 1 stitch left. Just knit this one and don't count. Now bring your needles in position. Your second round will be normal, without decreasing. In the third round, we'll decrease every 5th stitch. That means knit 4 stitches and knit number 5 and 6 together. Continue this way. Round 4 will be without decreasing. This is round 5 and we will decrease every 4th stitch. Knit 3 stitches and decrease number 4 and 5. Round 6 will be without decreasing. In round 7, we will decrease every 3rd stitch. 1st and 2nd stitch as usual. Number 3 and 4 as a decrease. Round 8 will be without decreasing. In round 9, we will decrease every 2nd stitch. Round 10 will be without decreasing. In round 11, we will decrease every stitch. In this round, we have 1 stitch left. You can knit it. Now cut the yarn. Make sure it's long enough for sewing. Now use your tapestry needle for picking up all the stitches and sewing your beanie. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Watch also others. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified about new videos, and until next time, bye bye.